Hello and welcome. This lecture is based on finding the product of two very large numbers near to base. Now these are two very large numbers. Let's see how to apply the same technique in finding the product of two large numbers near to base. We have to find the product of these two numbers. Now both the numbers are very near to this base. Because there are 5 digits in each of these numbers, so after 1 we put 5 zeros. So this is how we write the base of these numbers. Now we have to find the difference of this number from this base. In order to find the difference of this number from the base, we are going to use nihilum. We will apply all from 9 last from 10. That is, we are going to subtract all these numbers from 9 but last 6 from 10. So the difference of 8 from 9 is 1. The difference of 3 from 9 is 6. The difference of 5 from 9 is 4. The difference of 7 from 9 is 2. And the difference of 6 from 10 is 4. This is the difference of these two numbers. Because this number is smaller than the base, so we write negative along with the number. Now this number is 2 smaller than the base, so we write negative 2. For writing the first part, we have to find the difference of 2 from this number or difference of this number from the second number. Now it's easy to subtract 2 from this number. So this becomes 8, 3, 5, 7, 4. And for the second part, we have to multiply these two numbers. This is 8, 4, 8, 12. So carry 1 and 3. So this is the product of these two numbers. And since we are multiplying two negative numbers, so this is positive. Now there are 5 zeros in the base. So second part of the number has to be a 5-digit number, which is already a 5-digit number. So this is taken as the second part. So this time the problem is become very simple. This is the answer. So finding the product of such big 5-digit numbers is just a few seconds work. Let's try one more different problem. Now we have to find the product of these numbers, but the first number is a 4-digit number and the second number is 5-digit number. For multiplying these numbers, we will be taking the base as 50,000 because second number is 2 smaller than 50,000, and we can also find the difference of this number from 5,000. In order to find the difference of first number from 50,000, we will apply nihilum. Because it's a 4-digit number, so we write 0 over here. And we will reduce this number by 1. So this will become 4. And we subtract these rest of the numbers from 9 and last from 10. So 4 from 9 gives us 5. 7 from 9 gives us 2. Again 7 from 9 gives us 2. And 9 from 10 gives us 1. Now the second number is 2 less than the base. Now in order to write the first part of the number, either we can subtract this number from here or 2 from this number. It's better to subtract 2 from this number. It's easy to subtract 2 from this number. For the second part of this number, we will multiply these two numbers. So 2, 4, 4, 10, 9. And this is positive. But we are using 50,000 as a base, which is, so that means there is a submultiple involved. So we will multiply the first part by 5. Now we move to the second part. But main base is 10,000 and there are 4 zeros. That means this second number has to be a 4-digit number. But this is a 5-digit number. So we will add this 9 to 5. That means we will write like this. So 244049832. So this is the answer. Now this time we have to multiply two large numbers, but both are very near to the base 50,000. This number is 3 less than 50,000 and the second number is 3 more than 50,000. So for the first part of the number, we can either subtract 3 from the second number or we can add 3 to the first number. Both ways we are going to get 50,000. For the second part of the number, we will multiply these. This is going to give us negative 9, but we will write 50,000 as, and now there are 5 zeros in the main base, so this has to be a 5-digit number. So we will write negative 9 like this. Because for 50,000 we are dividing the main base by 2, so here also we will divide by 2. This is going to give us, but second part is a negative number, so we will reduce the first part by 1, and for the second part we will write the complement of this number. All from 9, last from 10. So 0 from 9, again 0 from 9, 0 from 9, 0 from 9, and this 9 from 10, so 1. This is the answer. So such a big calculation within a few seconds. This is the beauty of Vedic math. And now there's a small task for you to practice more problems. And answers are also given to you.